YouTube, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. We're back at it, and today we have a brand new unboxing. We're gonna be checking out a pair of kicks right here that I got for a steal, and apparently this was a lot of people's sneaker of the year last year for 2019. I managed to grab these off of Soul Steals. If you guys don't know what Soul Steals is, it's a membership website that you can pay daily, monthly, yearly, or weekly. And what it is pretty much a subscription type website where you get shoes for a steal. Every Sunday they post new sneakers on the website, and you can go on there, grab them, and they're for a steal. And I managed to grab these last Sunday, and they were in my size, and I was just like, price was not bad, so I just ended up picking them up. And like I said, this pair right here is a lot of people's sneaker of the year last year. And I just didn't bother paying resale for this shoe, but like I said, they were on the website in my size, and I thought I'd just scoop them up. So this is pretty much my first time ever seeing these in hand. I actually did go for these when they came out. I believe these came out in November. No, was it November? I don't even know. But I tried to go for these on a Nike sneakers app. Obviously I took an L, or else there would have been a video. But now we're here. We're just gonna check them out. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these, I'm gonna sell them, use them as trade bait, or I don't even know. Honestly, I don't know. We're just gonna take a look. Boom, we have an orange box, orange Nike box, Nike swoosh and that gloss. What else do we have? On this side you have Ike, and then on this side you have N and the Nike swoosh. And like I said, I did get these in my size. These are coming from Soul Steals. Bam. And take these bad boys out, and we're going to take a look. And here we have it. Boom! We have the Nike Sakai's waffles. Nike, I don't know the specific name of these bad boys, but they're called the Nike Sakai's. And yeah, got these bad boys for a steal. Boom. This colorway is, I believe, the pine. People call it the pine green colorway. Obviously, by the colorway, kind of looks like Barney. This Barney colorway. But when I first saw pictures of these, it kind of reminded me of the Joker from the newest movie, because of the purple suit, and it had like a little bit of yellow on it, and then the green. I don't know. It kind of reminds me of the Joker. But obviously kind of looks like Barney as well. And a lot of people said this shoe right here is the sneaker of the year. Me personally, I thought the Travis Scott ones were the sneaker of the year. I don't know, this shoe is alright in my opinion. Obviously kind of looks weird because they try to go for like that double up on everything pretty much. As you guys can see by the sole, it has like this double sole thing going on. I'm just kind of like poking out on the back right there. And then obviously your Nike swoosh, it's kind of like overlapping. You have a yellow Nike swoosh and then this orange Nike swoosh. And then on your tongue, you actually have two tongues on these. Nike sportswear with an orange swoosh, and on the other tongue you have Nike Sakai with a black swoosh. And then you also have double the laces. There's not just one lace, it's two laces. These come with white laces. I believe these don't come with extra laces. But yeah, you have double laces, double tongue, double the Nike swoosh, double the midsoles. And on the back, on the heel, you have Nike Sakai. Back there you also have the purple, the Barney purple, the purple berry, whatever colorway you want to call this. The Nike Sacai is in the green, and the back tab is like this yellow, purple suede around the toe area. And then you have this kind of like green mesh, which is actually see-through, which I did not know that it was see-through. So like if you're wearing, I don't know if you guys can see my hand's in there. It's see-through, so I don't know if you guys wear like white socks, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to see it. And then on your bottoms, it's black with kind of like these square spike things going on. I don't know, it's pretty dope. And then your insole, it says Nike Sacai on the inside, in the insole, right there. And yeah, man, it's Nike Sacai. It's pretty simple, but kind of like wild shoe, and it's not bad. Obviously there's other colorways. I believe there's a black colorway, a white colorway, and a lot of people like that the red and blue colorway, and they also have kind of like this yellowish and green colorway, and obviously this one right here, the Barney Joker colorway, whatever you guys want to call it. I don't even know if these are comfortable at all, because you guys can see that like midsole is like one layer, then you have another layer. I don't even know if these are comfortable at all, but yeah, let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Was this your sneaker of the year for last year? Like I said, personally, I'm gonna take the Travis Scott ones over these, but yeah, these are alright. Yeah, man, let me know down in the comments below. Do you guys mess with the Nike Sacai's? I believe there is a couple of more colorways coming out in this model this year in 2020, so we'll see what kind of colorways those are. But yeah, man, other than that, just a quick little pickup, a quick little unboxing. Yeah, the Nike Sacai's in that Joker colorway. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.